Long-lasting cast iron grill. Perfect for both cooking and serving, this heirloom quality cast iron cookware by Outset can handle up to 22 jumbo shrimp at once. Gets better with time. This grilling pan ages beautifully, with your food getting more and more flavorful with use as time goes on. Sure to last for decades with proper care. Heavy duty. This grillware is small enough to easily transfer from cooktop to oven, and will heat evenly over any flame. Be sure to try it with stovetops, fire it up on the grill, or bring along on your next camping trip. Multifunctional. Our cast iron cookware is versatile and fit for a variety of cooking methods. This particular set is great for frying, sautéing, cooking, grilling, and more. Measurements. This grilling pan weighs 5.32 pounds and has dimensions of 6.25 by 13.25 by 2 inches. Cook shrimp on the grill in a new exciting way. Outset cast iron shrimp pan cooks 22 jumbo shrimp in a pool of flavor, prevents food being lost between grill grates. This pan also doubles as a creative way to serve shrimp cocktail. From grill top to tabletop, this pan is designed to impress. Even though the pan comes pre-seasoned, applying a little vegetable oil before use helps prevent food from sticking. Top reviews from the United States. Wow, the flavor. I put myself through school as a sous chef, now retired, practicing backyard warrior. I really didn't think I needed this gadget, but I am a bit of an open fire guy. The first have a real fondness for the black cast iron, now have a collection. 1 steradian time use, a marinade a few minutes later, unbelievable results. The tails stick up a bit, so they get slightly toasted shrimpy flavor while the body is wrapped by the shape formed in all of the pocket grooves, cast. Simple genius. Caramelizing and cooking the marinade flavors into it. They are super flavorful, ever so slightly charred on the edges, don't be afraid to get it hot, yet exquisitely moist on the inside. We had this over some angel hair pasta dressed with a sauce extracted from the shells, a crisp, not over-chilled fume. Such a great first experience, I kinda even want another. I know I'm sure to give one to a buddy before too long.